Good morning, everybody. If you don't know who I am, my name is DJK so welcome back to my today's video. Before we get into this video, have you guys did your hand check up? Then you don't? Let's do it together. Cut off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom. Aye. So let's swipe to the update. Good morning, everybody. So today is a busy day for me. I will not be continue do a quick update. Well, I still can in the morning. Still, I can still do it. So I have a business coming up today. So I will not be back until after my business meeting going. As part of my, my personal information. I cannot explain too much just because I need to keep this quiet for you guys, but I don't want you guys getting involved when I'm going or something. I totally understand you guys want to know where I'm going, so I get it, but I need to keep this personal for me. So I need this to be quiet. So that's really important to me. Then after that, we'll be going shopping for Thanksgiving. Everybody's coming over. So that is 3 of us plus another 7. Like my dad's mom, Lori, Cassandra, and Wally. That makes 4. So we're gonna do that for this year. I will still do the quick update, but I don't have. I have to wrap it up here or something, but I'm bad at this. I have to get going. Have a good day, everyone. See you guys on another update for real this time. Have a good day, everyone. Now, guys, peace out. And don't forget, no grow up is still worthy. We out. Make sure you subscribe to all the channels down below. Make sure you do that. Peace.